Hey, it's JMA, back with some more BMW stuff. Today we have the 2007 BMW X5 and some battery issues. So let's go over this real quick. Currently I've got the battery on boil. It's doing this thing currently right now is charging, it's showing 11.4 volts, I believe was what it was. When I was driving earlier this morning, I ended up having an issue where the dash lit up as soon as I drove down the driveway. That said high battery drain or high battery usage, and I was like, wait a minute, that seems kind of odd. So I had to turn back around and come back in. I checked the with the car running. I checked the alternator. It was pumping out 11.6. I turned the car off. I checked the battery, and it was 11.4, I think. So the battery's about 4 years old or whatnot, maybe five years, maybe 6. So on this car, it's definitely good to change. On a BMW, about 3 to 5 years, about the standard for battery. So currently, this is an AGM battery. So it does cost a little bit more, and it is a larger battery, but it does work well. So I may show you the inside of that dash. I'm not sure, considering the issues. I'm not sure if it'll come back up or not, but we'll see. So for now, I'm letting the battery boil. Okay, so we're looking at this thing. It says 60%, 12.8 volts. The other one was 12. It started at 12.1, dropped down to 12. So this looks like it's not even charging. It's been on the thing for at least a month, I want to say. But yeah, so there's a battery for you. That's X5 battery that goes in there. I'm going to start charge this, just see what happens. Yeah, that's a lot better than what it was. So I'm thinking it's going to be battery, so I'll go ahead and show you the process of switching out the battery. I'm going to try to let this charge for just a little bit, a little wattage. So okay, here I am in the trunk. Let's go ahead and walk over what needs to be done to change the battery. So if we start here, there's 3 screws that need to be undone. And there's one, I believe, right there. After that's done, we can take this off. Underneath the tray there, we've got battery, and we have a 10 millimeter there. I've got to remove that. We have a 10 millimeter here that holds the side of the battery down. And take that out. On top, we have a 13 millimeter that is connected to this junction box. It is clipped to the side of the battery. So it's clipped here and here. Simply unhook it there, then hook it up from the back and move it out of the way. Let me get this out of the way for now. So this comes and just slides aside. If I can get this off. Come on. I know you do it. Just being a little bit stubborn. There we go. All right, got that off. So after that, there's a 10 here and a 10 here, which you can remove. I would suggest doing the ground first. It's in all car systems. Go ahead and get this undone. There you go. Don't want that touching anything. And then off to this one, which is unplug. From there, we can extract the battery and replace it with a new one. Now, after that, we have to clear all this out, by the way. After that, we have to reprogram the car to accept the new battery. So that'll be done after I swap the battery out. I'll show you how to do that. While you're back here, I do have a few things. I have a few extra coil packs. Tire, always make sure your tire is nice and full. Check that every once in a while. Because if you get it flat and it's low, you're gonna have to get a tow truck anyways. So all right, back to the change the battery. Okay, so we're in the car right now. Yeah, tool's plugged in. Let's go ahead and get this going here. What we're going to do is go ahead and set the tool to... Actually, let me turn this on real quick. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go to... let's see. Whoop. Trying to look through both, so it's kind of hard to do. Let's go to service. We're going to go to battery management system. BMW. Version 1.5. Loading. Manual select. All the way down. X series. E70. Key is on. Battery replacement. Not an E65. Show history, battery replacement, register battery replacement. Battery replacement is entered in the DME, DDE. Let's see, the ignition does not have to be running and terminal 15 on. Okay. Current registered battery 91. Okay. The entry cannot be canceled. No lead batteries are identified by the white housing. Okay, I don't have a white lead battery. Please make sure the battery is the same type. Okay, communicating. Battery replacement is successful. Registered on DME DDE. The following is now entered in the DDME. Last replacement was 2,500. Yeah, 25 kilometers. Okay. That's all fun and nice. All right, click on OK. And that should be about it. So, just out of curiosity, I am going to do this. I'm going to go to... I disconnect the battery, so there shouldn't be really anything in here. Okay, let me go back. Diagnostics, enter, BMW. Camera does not want to focus today. All except 3 series. And I'm going to do manual. And that one there. Read full code. Crankshaft, okay. There's probably going to be one for Vanos, a low battery, and the things associated with that. So, battery sensor, power management. There's your Vanos intake, as I said. Alternator, which was an issue before, I don't think it is now. And of course, that one. So, with that being done, the battery's reset. Let's go and start the car up. And it does start up a little bit faster than it did before. I am getting some weird error messages on the screen here, so I'll have to take care of those, obviously. But for the most part, battery's been changed, minus the silly issues. I'm sure a little drive will take care of that. It normally does, especially right after I change the battery. So, you guys have any questions, comments, leave in the section down below. Like, subscribe, share, and as always, do your thing. And don't forget the 10mm. Oh, goodness.